Building a dream home starts with a vision on paper. But how do you ensure that vision actually shines once the walls go up? At House of Lights, we do more than just sell fixtures. We partner with you, your builder, and your designer from day one. We take those blueprints and translate them into a custom lighting layout, calculating scale, lumens, and placement for every room. The result? No dark corners, no builder-grade regrets, just perfectly layered light that highlights your architecture and fits your lifestyle. With over 60 years of experience on the Space Coast, we have the technical knowledge to bring your blueprints to life. House of Lights. From blueprints to brilliance. Visit our Melbourne showroom today.